If you'd like to take Saturday and Sunday off, but your bank account tells you that you better work because you need some overtime so you can pay all your bills, listen to me. I want to tell you about affiliate marketing because it totally changed my life. I started as a complete beginner nearly 5 years ago. I had no idea what I was doing. I had a full-time job, and I have made 7 figures online because I learned this skill. Now, before I talk about affiliate marketing, let me tell you first of all that what I truly discovered was passive income. Passive income is the ability to make money while you're not actively working, meaning that once I discovered affiliate marketing, I would wake up and open my inbox and I would have emails telling me that I made money overnight. Sometimes maybe that's just $2. Sometimes it was over $1,000. So I'm going to break down right now for you what affiliate marketing is and the 7 steps. If you want me to break each one of these 7 steps down even more, just drop a 7 in the comments right now. Go ahead and save this video, follow me. And if you want to join my free community, you can do that on my page. Affiliate marketing is promoting another company's product online so you can earn commissions. That means you don't have to create the product. You don't even ship it. You don't even sell it. You just tell people about it. It would be like me telling someone about my favorite pair of tennis shoes. I didn't create them. I'm not going to go to the store and get them for people. I'm not going to deal with customer service if they want to buy them or if they don't like them. I'm just telling them about it. How do you start affiliate marketing? Well, like I just said, there is 7 steps. Step 1 is you choose a niche or a product, meaning that you have to decide what you want to promote. Now, you can promote multiple products. Over 86% of brands have affiliate programs, but it is important that you choose one product to start with. And if you want me to break these down even more, like I said, just comment 7 right now and I will. Step 2 is you become an affiliate for a company, meaning that let's say there's a company called Sarah, for an example, it's my name, and you want to be an affiliate for me. Well, you would Google or you would figure out how to become an affiliate for me. Once that company or me approves you to be an affiliate, then you can do step 3, which is to get your affiliate link. That means that if you went to my website, Sarah, and you wanted to promote my product, AMP, which is $5. I have multiple products, but that's the first one, okay? Then you would have a specific link just for that product. Like I said, put 7 in the comments if you want me to break each one of these steps down even more. Step 4 is the tech part. Now, a lot of people get really overwhelmed here, but you don't need to be. First of all, because I started as a complete beginner with a full-time job and I'm not techie and I did it. Second of all, because there really is a lot of help on this, okay? It's not that overwhelming, but you do have to learn it and understand it, so it does take time. I always ask people, if you spent, I don't know, an hour a day for 2 weeks, which is a little excessive if you ask me, learning a new skill, and in 3 to 5 months from now, you were earning an extra $1,000 a week, would it be worth it to you? If the answer is no, then you should probably quit watching this video right now. If it's yes, then keep listening. So number 4 is you set up the tech. Very basic, very beginner friendly. It's a 2-page funnel, all right? Put 7 in the comments if you want me to break each one of these steps down more. Step 5 is you start posting content on social media. I started on one app, now I'm on several apps. And what did I post about? Because if y'all remember, I didn't have any experience. I hadn't won any awards. There was certainly nothing special about me. I shared my journey and I could talk about step 5 a lot, okay? Step 6 is you send people automated emails, all right? Now, this goes deep, but listen to me for a second. Whenever you start creating content, which is step 5, and people are interested in what you're doing, they are going to go to your page and they are going to look at your website or the funnel that you built in step 4. Like if you tap on my name right now, go to my page, you will see my freebie or my lead magnet, all right? It's totally free. You can join my community for free. As long as you give me your name and your email address, I will send you that invite link. I will give you all kinds of resources. That is called a lead magnet. Everybody's lead magnet can be different. Most people don't buy the first time they see somebody telling them about a product. So with emails, you continue to send helpful emails, all right? More information, because it's proven that people need to see a product or an offer at least 7 times before they buy it. That number might even be higher by this point. That was the number 4 years ago when I got started. Step 7 is the best step, and it is simply to repeat, okay? Here's the beautiful thing. You don't have to repeat every single step. The only steps that you have to repeat to make more and more money, you can add more offers, which means you just have to go get your affiliate link for companies. And then you don't have to create more content. You don't have to create another funnel. You don't have to do any of that. You just simply set up more emails to send, okay? And then you just oh my gosh. And then you just continue to create content every single day that people are interested in. This video has gotten way longer than I wanted it to, but it's because I truly do love helping people. My passion is helping beginners earn their first 1K online. If you want to earn your first 1K online and you want to take my trainings to learn more about affiliate marketing, comment affiliate marketing, go join my community right now on my page. And like I said, put 7 in the comments. I'm happy to break down each one of these steps even more.